All right, guys, so that brings me to my 5th must-have mod for the new 6th Gen 4Runner. This time we're back outside, no more interior stuff, and I'm gonna be bringing on a special guest for this 5th spot, someone you might remember from the 1st Gen video when we gave it a ceramic coat, and that is gonna be Salem over here.
What up, guys? See y'all.
He is from Soft Touch Detailing. I did a full breakdown video of his detail and everything on the 88 last time he was over here. And you know, I were thinking about what is the most important thing to do when it comes to the first 5 modifications for your new vehicle, new 6th Gen specifically, and ceramic coat. The paint is brand new, and Salem tells me how important it is to do it right off the bat so you have no problem. So I'm gonna let him take over here. Salem, why is it important to ceramic coat your vehicle when you first get it?
I personally say it's very important to get it done when you first get your car because it's fresh out of the lot. There's no swirls, there's no scratches, you know, it's fresh. So the best thing to do is give it that nice ceramic coat so it can protect your paints from swirling, from scratches. Now guys, remember, ceramic coat is not PPF. PPF is what protects your scratches and dents and stuff. Ceramic coat, which protects your car from swirling, kind of scratches, but it protects your paint from fading away, looking rusty, looking ugly. So you're not actually scratching up the car.
It made the washing process, like after that, everything just would fall off of it super easy, and it wasn't, yeah, it didn't stick around.
Yep. And that's why I say ceramic coating is really, really important, especially if you really care about your car. Get it done right off the bat. Invest in it.
Hell yeah. Well, yeah, guys, so that is it. They heard it from Salem himself, Soft Touch Detailing. As usual, I'll leave the links, everything in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to this video. And guys, let's get it. Number 5 of the must-have mods for your new 6th Gen 4Runner coming up now.
So this is a clay bar, aka clay sponge. So we use this to clay bar the body of the car to remove all roughness off the surface and to remove all like materials that our eyes can't see. Like for example, mini minerals like small tiny rocks, dirt, specks that stuck on the paint. This will remove it. Of course, we gotta foam the car first. You don't want to go in circle motions. That's what brings your swirls and will bring you back swirls. So with clay bar, you want to go side by side or up and down. You want to hold this because as you can see it gets stuck. That's the clay bar doing its job. And you haven't even took it really off-roading yet. This is from shipping, from wherever it came from. Wow, I can do this all day, dude.
So what I like to do before I ceramic coat and polish, I like to get my towels ready. This is gonna be your first towel, your second towel, your third towel, and your fourth towel. When you go ahead and put your ceramic coating on and you apply it, this is gonna be my first wipe down towel. This is gonna be my first towel that I wipe off the coating with. That back down, grab my second towel, and I use the second towel to wipe again. Now this is for me to ensure all the ceramic coating on the car is off. I do my second one, let go, and this is my process. Now I'm just gonna get into the polishing process, gonna get the machine ready. And this is the same motion, just like I showed you with the clay sponge. This one you wanna do back and forth. You don't wanna do the wax on this one, even though we're doing a wax polish. You wanna go back and forth. This is how you show them the difference. Show them your silhouette here. And show them your silhouette there. You can take a selfie on that side. Alrighty guys, so we are on the ceramic coating process. I'm gonna be using a 3D ceramic coating. It's a 3-year ceramic coating. I usually put them out that much. You don't have to overdo it. Kind of like turns rainbowish, kind of looks like gasoline on the car in a way. That's a sign of it doing its job. You remember, you take your first one and start wiping. Go with your second one, you do the same thing. So now you get the leftovers. Third towel, same thing.
All right guys, so Salem is just wrapping up the final touches to the ceramic coat. I hope you guys have enjoyed this because it has been a blast to watch him just completely transform the paint on this truck. I mean, it wasn't even this clean when I first got it. She's shining. She is shining bright. She's ready for future scratches and future washes. But my God, it's just amazing what this does. Salem, what'd you think? How was polishing the?
This was smooth, man. I loved it. A very smooth process, nothing too difficult. You know, it is a brand new car, so it doesn't really need much done. But it was an amazing process from start to finish to seeing how the black turned out after the coating. It's so amazing. This is the last part. We are coating the last part of the car, as you guys can see. And let her sit for a while, and Mammoth is done.
Thank you so much for doing this and just knocking it out of the park again, man.
You're welcome. Anytime, brother. Thank you for always letting me bless your cars. Thank you always for bringing me by. And hopefully we get some more projects. No, I'm just kidding.
No more projects.
This is his last one.
Let me go beat it up on the trail, ruin the paint, and
then we'll talk about maybe.
We'll be back. Ceramic coating it all over again.
He might throw 40s later.
Hey, probably. I'm not gonna lie. Awesome, dude. Hell yeah! If you guys want to see more of soft touch detailing, again, the links, everything is in the description below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Alrighty, guys. So that is a wrap. I hope you have all enjoyed my 5 must-have mods for the new 6th Gen 4Runner. They go down the list. Tell me what you guys think. Did you like them? Did you not like them? I would like to think that they're a bit unique. They're not your typical, hey, wheels and tires and tint windows right off the bat. It's something a little different, something a little bit more personable to make it your vehicle and set you off on the right path to building a Mammoth. Guys, like always, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe on the video, help the algorithm. I'm trying to get the channel a little bit bigger, and I can do that with your help. So coming up next is gonna be some big mods. The shocks and long travel kit are gonna be here soon. We're about 3 weeks off. Keep an eye out for that. I will be posting it on my Instagram. I'll keep you guys updated on YouTube as much as I can, and just keep you in the loop as we wait for those major modifications. So these were my first 5 must-have mods. They might be small, but they're mods nonetheless. And the next ones that are coming are gonna be big. So just kind of getting our feet wet, prepare yourself for what's coming next, because it's about to transform. We're about to go big. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.